Hey guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to share with you how you can make amazing artist website for yourself with AI without coding, without moving an element and being frustrated for 3 hours that something's not working. So we're gonna use Claude Design, and in my opinion it works very well. So let me show what we're gonna do. We're not going to write to Claude Design, make me this kind of artist website. What I encourage you to do, find something that you can get as an inspiration, some kind of template. When you're going to come here to Google and you're going to write here template artist portfolio and even Figma, we're not going to copy it. We just want to have some kind of inspiration, and we're going to start from there. Something that you would have, something that is unique to you, even from when you have existing sites of people around the world. What you can do is that you can write here website to PNG, and let's go to Google, not to Bing. Website to PNG. Here we got it, and you would paste the URL here, and then automatically it's going to give you the PNG, and we're going to paste it to Claude Design. So right now, look what I got. I found this one here. Let's say it's going to be for the digital art, and we want to have it like this, and I want to make it interactive. Just find something. I don't know what kind of artist are you, what kind of thing you're doing. So just like come and follow the framework, and you will see it's going to look great. Now I'm going to click here, and on the right side I'm going to go to export and export homepage, and then also I will show you how you can add a contact form that works on your website and how you can add it to your own domain. So let's just write here, hi Claude, I want you to make me, and we want to have module 4.8 artist, digital artist website. I'm sending a screenshot as a starting point. I want to have it a lot of animations, a lot of stars and stuff like that. I want to have it interactive, mobile friendly. Add their gallery or with some random digital art. I will then replace it, about me, some text, make it up. Also I'll have their planets and things like that. I want to have it as similar as on the universe. So I'm just like writing things up straight from the mind, what I would like to have there, and then you want to also write what kind of build you want to have it there. So when you're gonna have a great website of someone that you want to have it in similar way, you can do it. Like, okay, I want to have this kind of framework, but I want to have different colors, and I want to have their edit, and it's going to do a lot of great things for you. And then in bottom contact, please ask me some questions about the information and animations. I want you to be highly creative. Okay, now we're going to send it. What is going to happen now is that it's going to it's going to prepare me questions that I'm going to answer. Marcus Art, explore the world of digital art. Which section do you want? Hero, gallery, about me, testimonials, contact. Okay, how many gallery artworks? We can go to 10. Animation intensity, maximum chaos, big palette. We can go with this one here, the first one. Which animation excites you most? And there you're gonna have like, I want to have everything. Let's just like see, right? Have a lot of them. I want to even have that I'm going to move through the universe, like when you scroll and you travel across the universe. And about me, what tone should I write in? Bold, confident, sci-fi, space scenes, or we can go with the abstracts rule. If I'm going to have something nature related, then I can have nature there, right? Contact section, so a contact form, social links, and primary call to action, view the gallery. And okay, we're gonna have it like this. Now what you can even have there is updated maybe your product or things like that. It's a completely little bit different video, but this is primarily showing what kind of work you got, what kind of thing you were doing. So let's just press continue. Now it's going to make the website for us and we're gonna see how it goes. So look at this. This is something that it made me. It's very, in a way, like introduction that I could play around with it way more. Now I can see here the gallery that I could edit. Then about the artist, that I would have a picture here with the text. What the cultures say as the testimonials. And let's create together. So there I would have a form. Very simple website. Now, if I would do something, let's say that I'm making paintings and it's related to nature, then I would do nature related. And this was just something that to show you. Now, you can even watch some videos on YouTube how to make great cloth designs, that how you can, for example, make even better animations based on the things that you want. And I just want to make these videos as an invitation, what is actually possible and how much you can accomplish. Because I, for example, really like that, you have the stars kind of like coming through the screen. That's something that I personally like. I would definitely change a little bit something about the planets, maybe have different galaxy up here. But other than that, it doesn't look bad at all. So now when we're gonna go further, we have to set up the contact form. So we're gonna do it completely for free through the Web3 forms. And I'm going to continue with the mail here with the made up. So I'm going to enter the mail and I'm going to click send verification code. And then it's going to send right here. Like it's an insane amount of ads here, by the way. Okay, here we got it. It was like this, I think. Yep. Okay. So choose your plan. So I agree to continue, and then we're gonna go for the free 250 submissions, create a form, and you're gonna write here the domain name when you're gonna have it, and creating form. So what we're gonna do is that I'm going to take the form access key and paste it to Claude. So here it is. There is my code for Web3 forms for the contact form. And then there is also you're just gonna copy this, the HTML code. Please add it to the form. And this is all you have to do. So conform API. Add it there, so when someone writes me, I get it. Okay, so here we're gonna have it. It's going to replace the contact form. The contact form is going to be there, but it's going to always write me on the Web3 forms, and then you can connect the Web3 forms through, for example, your mail, and then you're gonna get emails there that someone filled the form for you. Now, then when we're gonna go further, we have to get a hosting. So while it's loading, I'm going to show you how it works. So you're gonna come here to hostinger.com. You're gonna have a link down below in the description, okay? For the hosting, you're gonna have also 10% off. So there we're gonna get a domain and hosting. So here we're gonna go with the premium. It's enough if you don't want to have more websites. And you can have also domain free for first year. So I would click here, choose a plan. And then you can choose for how long you want to have it, like 48 months, 12 months, 24 months. I'm going to go with the 48 months and then have a coupon code. There you want to write Marcus. Everything's with the big letters, right? And then you're going to have $158. And then for the domain, you just going to write there the domain that you want to buy, okay? The first year is going to be free. So 48 months, here you go. So you can get even for like 12 months, completely up to you. And then you would continue and you would go with the process. Don't install WordPress. Don't install anything regards the hosting or website builder. Look at that, we got it. So when we're gonna have it, I'm going to go to the right, share, and then I'm going to have the standalone HTML. That's something that you want to click on, okay? And then we're gonna wait until it's going to load. And do for me. And we're gonna go to Hostinger. So I will come here to Hostinger, profile. And then what you're gonna do is that we're gonna upload it. So we're gonna come here to websites, and there you're gonna have dashboard. I will show you when I put my camera away. Here is dashboard. Click on the dashboard. And there you're gonna find the files and file manager and access files to the site. When you are going to be here, let's just wait if it's going to do it already. So it's going to do right now, export me, and then I'm just going to download it and upload it there. We'll show you in a minute until it's going to go. Okay, so the website got exported, so I'm just going to click here, download, and it's going to right now prepare for me. It's going to download, and then you're going to come here when you're going to open access files to company tutorials. You're going to be right here, and you want to delete what is present, and then I'm going to come here and we're going to upload it. So we're just going to wait, and we're going to rename it to index.html, and then the website is going to work. So edit index.html. Okay, so now we can open it. And of course, like if the website is loading longer, then also needs to decrease the size of it. So that's something that you can also write. Let's just also test out the Marcus. Send transmission. Okay, transmission sent. Now when I'm going to come here to my Web3 forms, go to dashboard, and look at that. Submission. Here we got it. Here's the submission that we got. Of course, what you can do is that you can have like form setup here and settings where you can add the recipient email. So the one that you're going to register with is going to be a recipient email that you're going to get also the email intakes that you don't have to come to the Web3 forms, but this is the way on how we can actually do it. So hope this video was beneficial and helpful for you. Thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day and goodbye.